Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your phone supports USB OTG or USB-C host mode so it can act as the host. Next, pick an SSD with a native USB interface or prepare a soldered USB adapter. This matters because interface mismatch prevents detection. Once done, decide if a powered hub is needed. Many SSDs draw more than 500 mAh, so use a powered hub to avoid power issues. Make sure cables are good quality and rated for data, not just charging. You now connect the SSD using the adapter or USB-C cable. If the phone uses OTG, attach the OTG adapter first. Once connected, grant file access when the prompt appears. This lets apps read and write. If the drive uses an incompatible file system, backup and format to exFAT for compatibility across Android, iOS, and computers. Make sure to eject safely in software before disconnecting to avoid file system corruption. If performance feels slow, try a direct cable instead of a hub. You finish by using a file manager or media app to move, stream, or backup content. This explains why some players need direct file access. After transfers, unmount or eject the SSD in settings to prevent data loss. If the drive isn't detected, try a different cable, test the SSD on a PC to rule out drive failure, and swap phones to confirm OTG support. These steps isolate whether the problem is cable, hub, phone, or SSD. Keep the SSD powered if it still fails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.